Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral.
It happened again, where I just slept for hours, I guess. I think this time it was like 3 hours. The last time it was like 4, almost 5. Like I was in like a mini coma. I'm hungry. I want to eat. I watch The Witcher. Me start. Me say them have a new season for season 3. But when I watch the previous season 3, I see some things I want to say, I say shit. So I'm going back to season 2. I'm thinking long and hard about what you fun. I'm thinking long and hard about like things that I have to do, things that I start out doing that I like take back. Let me explain. So remember, I'm telling you guys, like I'm just figuring out myself, like away from people, starting out my life away from people. You guys call it self-care, introspection. That's what your life should be. You should constantly be looking at your life. You should be constantly looking at your life and see how you can better it, how we can better it, how you can be a better person, a better human being, how you can interact differently. Life is always about you, how you interact, how you respond, how you explain, how you it's just you. So I recognize that I have an unusual trait. And if you're an entrepreneur, then you might understand. But whenever I am in a very low emotional state, I create. Now, while that's good for mental health stability, it's not good for the long term and for the business. So I have to be doing projects now when I'm more focused on the business and not having the business distract me from my personal life. That's where I think that success is, because people who do that, I don't think they think they're successful, but they have made that separation by having employers or different places where they go to create. For those of us who create in like the same space, or you can take different tidbits from my life, it messes with you. So there's a lot of events that I have planned that I won't be doing. Remember that makeup event that I was talking about? I won't be doing that. And that's just in focusing on me. I want to get rid of the idea that nobody cares, nobody this. People have their own shit going on. And their shit has nothing to do with you, because that's their life. So don't just focus on you. In those times where you feel like you're losing friendships, losing loved ones, you see me, losing connections, whether it be business or personal, just use that time to. And how you focus on yourself too. Well, what I'm doing is I'm in situations and I'm assessing how I dealt with it and how I would deal with it now when I think back on the situation. Because a lot of time people say no, they don't have any regrets and they wouldn't change anything, which I agree with completely. I wouldn't change anything about my life, as effed up as it is. I wouldn't change anything about my life, because it really made me like who I am. But knowing the decisions now, knowing the repercussions of my decisions then, I would not have made them. I hope that's clear. Knowing what I know now, I would not have made those decisions back then when I made them. So we're on this journey together. This is really a month in lyrics faith. I was trying to be horny, like, oh, that's such a cool idea, and God is like, alright, then watch the finish. Month in lyrics faith. And that's exactly what it is. It's just my faith in God. And God is good all the time, and all things work together for your good. And like and whenever, bro, I'm telling you, the Bible saves me. It's so good for anxiety. I'm just make it plain. When I feel my heart give it, I just make it plain, or speaking tongues, like what I tell you guys. It is amazing for anxiety, which is what I told you guys. Depression isn't real. Mental health isn't real. Everything is and listen to me real quick. And listen to me right now. Everything is a spiritual attack, or is spiritually driven. And I'm going to go really deep, really deep, and I'm going to focus on my life. So in my life, I have decisions that I can make that would either be good for me or bad for me. And most times I'm selfish when making those decisions. No, I can't be selfish when making those decisions, because my life is on a different path. So my responses can't be the same, because I know where I am now. So instead of being emotional and responding how I used to, I don't. And people can say, change the narrative, which is what's coming to me. But again, that's a regurgitory term. That's a term that I've heard that I'm just repeating. That's what I mean by regurgitate, or regurgitate, or like vomit up. It's a term I hear and I repeat it, but it's not real. Mental health is not real. It's a term that they try to use to group everybody, to say, okay, everybody has this one thing, which is bullshit, because everybody can have this one thing. But I have to remember that even in the Bible, when people used to come with them infirmities, remember them used to form the mountain, them say every minute the demon flung him into the fire. The demon, this, I saw them as a demon. Him have him sick. Him have the foremost disease name. Him have this, but the Bible said no, because we wrestle not against flesh and blood. And when I understood, even when people would comment, my God, I have changed even my direction in responding, And just that alone, I am not, and I will say this, I cannot remember when the last time I got a negative comment. I did screenshot it. It was 2-3 days ago, and I was going to respond. I didn't respond. I just blocked the person. That's what I've been doing. Just blocking people, and it helps. It genuinely helps, because the people who I block, they're never blocked. That account is blocked. They're going to recreate, and then not comment so that they can watch, because they have to understand that we wrestle not against flesh and blood. I know for a fact that there has been witchcraft thrown against me, or like attack. Know for a fact. Know for a fact, and some of you know for a fact as well. And this may be a little bit weird for some of you listening, and that's fine. If you're getting scared, that's dumb. If you're getting scared, that's absolutely dumb. Are you forgetting the God that we serve? Are you forgetting the God that we serve, honey? The same God who threw down Lucifer, who is causing you to be afraid. So that fear is something that me can't subscribe to. So I'm afraid, in no girl na no. No dopey na no. No demon na no. That's between me and God. And God not tell nobody. Because God said, when you're weak, I got you. God said, I got you. When you're weak, I have your back, baby, no yourself. My faith is completely in God. And I see the bullshit that is going to be popping off for this month. But Daddy, I'm standing firm. For the past couple of days, I've just been looking at myself and just fixing me, making me a better mommy for the boys, because I'm too emotional with them. I'm that emotional with them because they understand me. It's even I don't want that. I don't want them because they understand me. I'm more and the boys understand it. No, I have to protect their environment, their space. I am their safe space. That's me. When they can't talk to anybody, that's me that they come to. That's me. I create that environment for them, because that wasn't given to me, that wasn't presented to me, that wasn't curated for me. So I will not have my children be without that, because I know how important that is. But that takes a lot out of me, and it takes a lot of pushing myself all the way back.
A few moments later.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over.
I want to sleep, like my body feels tired, which is not bad. I have to take out this nose ring when I'm sleeping. It just big and cumbersome, but my love it look. It just looks weird, like one big, one little. I love it. So I'm watching YouTube. Oh, I keep wanna sleep. Not if do you want to comb back my ear, but no, I don't know if I want to comb it back around. Come on, go waste product, probably just wrap it. I'm gonna come home. Oh, my aisle. So this is my oil that I'm experimenting with. I haven't used it yet. I want to get it warmed. I want to either put it in the microwave or on the stove or something. I can either fry it or kind of make it like steam. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, but have this been sitting for, what's it now, days, like a couple days. 7 days since last week Thursday, so it's been infusing for 7 days. I don't even want it smells like nothing. Oh, not bad. Man, I hope this works. I really hope this works. So I'm going to keep my hair like this. I probably just comb it back for true, and then wash out my ear, and then start with that tomorrow. And the spray, I'm switch with the spray in our next buckle, in our smaller buckle. So yeah, I'm if I buy one little scrudgy every time I take out my last kit. I'm afraid coming out to tear my ear. And I take my time, you know. Shit, it boss.
Coffee, cacao, cocos.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. I am overwhelmed as usual, and I just want to take this time as I'm speeding this along to just tell you guys thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for engaging. Hi Wamsi, who else is there? I am Tropical Beauty. Hi baby, she has a new vlog channel as well. To all of you who watch me and support me, thank you so very much, and those of you who engage as well. Yeah, oh, and comment, engage, so that the people there's the people on YouTube can see my video, and so I'll just turn up the thing load for 2023, don't it? Right, so but thank you. I forgot about Scrooge. Oh no, look here. Look here. I'm not used to giving these low quality back shots, so my apologies. I know it's an armband, I know. I don't have no screwdriver. I'm gonna go to shop. She said she don't have no little screwdriver. This shit with a big screwdriver. I make it one little piece of something. It's a little piece of ear I have. What a big screwdriver look like. I don't want this thing in my head, but when this in my head, I'm gonna look so serious. People get inside my little picnic, and them not gonna bother look me. No, come here, he's a child. Yeah.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. you know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
It is so hot. Jesus, what? When I do house, I sweat. I just up on the veranda a while ago, but no, sir. I'm gonna the room, come right back out. So I'm gonna go over to my friend's house just for cool out, look a bit before the boys come. Before I have the boys, especially if I have like, you know, like a rough day or something, I'm like go cool out first before them come at the house, because they have to come back to the house, you know. So I give myself a break from the house and everything. But it's so hot. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna make this go around because I'm gonna say something stupid. I've been up since like 4 a.m. I'm unable to sleep. But unfortunately I can't channel that energy into, well, I'm going to start channeling that energy into something. Probably creating like short form content, like taking my videos and turning them into like TikToks, like makeup TikToks and stuff. I think that's what I'm going to do, for the simple fact that oh yeah, and I can start doing mini vlogs on my TikTok. So on my old vlogs, I can do them short form contents. That's what I'm going to start doing. Whenever I have insomnia, I'm going to start doing work, because normally I lie down or I'm afraid to go on the laptop because I want to sleep. But if I'm already lie down, I just do some work and done until my body gets tired or something, then I can stop. But for now, it's difficult for me to create. It's difficult for me to sleep, and I didn't want to get back there. And everything, like even with the growing your hair, growing the edges, like clear skin, you need like rest. You need to not be stressed. You need to like because even with growing my hair, you have to massage like your scalp, and even in massaging there has to be like a piece. Hi, you're good?
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral,